What if I told you any home, yes, any, no matter the condition, can be your next big sale? I'm Sean Thompson, and I'm the author of the Renovation Lending Playbook, a buyer's guide to mastering fixer-uppers. Let's face it, selling properties in less than perfect condition isn't easy. Buyers hesitate, deals fall apart, and you're stuck with listings that won't move. Now, maybe you've tried pitching the potential of the home and getting blank stares, or discounting the price and kind of hurting your commissions, or hoping buyers will look past the flaws. Spoiler, they won't. That's where my Any Home, Any Condition workshop comes in. I'll show you how to turn those tough-to-sell homes into dream deals using makeover financing, a game changer for both you, your agents, and your buyers and sellers. This system features simple makeover financing options that let buyers customize any way they like. You can close the deals on properties as is, no matter the condition, and the strategies you'll learn position you as the broker who make the impossible possible. Now, if you got this video, that means we are not too far from each other. I can come directly to the office and show you and your team how to market distressed properties with confidence, how to help buyers visualize their dream home, even if it's a big fixer-upper, and how to close more deals faster with less stress. Imagine this: fewer unsellable listings, more happy clients, and a reputation as the go-to broker who delivers results even on the tough properties. Want to transform you and your team's sales game? Let me bring this workshop to you. Click below to book a session, and let's turn those hard-to-sell homes into your biggest wins.